Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So just a quick little video for you today. Basically, we're going to go over a hidden feature that not everybody's aware of when it comes to recording audio with a Bluetooth microphone connected directly to your GoPro Hero 13 Black. Essentially, in the background, it's going to record a secondary audio track that's going to be embedded right into the video using the built-in microphones of the camera. And that way, when you're done recording, you're going to have two audio tracks embedded, one from the Bluetooth microphone and one from the microphones on your GoPro. And that can be really important because sometimes these Bluetooth microphones are susceptible to interference. They don't have the best range. That way you know you always have a backup safety track. It can also be beneficial for creative purposes if you want to blend some more ambient sounds that the GoPro has picked up with your commentary. You have both audio tracks you can work with. Now, this backup audio track is only created when you have a Bluetooth microphone connected directly to your GoPro. If you're using a microphone with something like the media mod, then a secondary backup track is not created. Now I'm just going to show you quickly here how you can access that backup track and how you can switch back and forth. By default, it's always going to have the Bluetooth microphone as the primary track. There's a couple different ways in which we can access it. You can use the GoPro app or you can use any editor of your choice. So I'll show you both methods here. So I'm going to go ahead here and launch Quick. I've already transferred a file over that I did a test just for this video. Down here at the bottom are all the editing tools. We're going to click on the pencil icon to bring up the editor. And then if we go over to volume, you can see there that it gives us an audio source. It has Bluetooth and camera. So as you can see, Bluetooth is always going to be the dominant audio. I'm just going to play that back for you. This is an audio test using the DJI Mic 2 connected to the GoPro. So that is audio that was coming from the Bluetooth microphone, but now I'll switch it over to the camera audio. This is an audio test using the DJI Mic 2 connected to the GoPro Hero 13. So as you can see, we can switch back and forth, and then when we go to export it, it's going to use whatever audio we select. And we can also boost it there at the same time, or we can mute it altogether. So definitely a handy feature. So that's if you've transferred it over via the GoPro app and you've got the content stored within the GoPro app. If you're a person who just takes the footage raw right off the memory card, you can access that hidden track within most editors. Now, I use LumaFusion for all my editing, so that's what I'm going to demonstrate on. Whatever editor you use for editing, it should be very similar. So I'm going to go ahead here. I'm going to launch LumaFusion. By default, it's going to play the audio from the Bluetooth microphone. This is an audio test using the DJI Mic. Now again, in LumaFusion, if we double tap on that, we're going to go over to our audio tab. Under configuration, you can see it says stereo ID number 2. We can tap on that and it gives us two different sources. So I can click on ID number 5. That's the backup track. So now when I play it back, Mic 2 connected to the GoPro Hero 13 Black. So as you can see, you can switch back and forth depending on what you need. Then of course you can extract the audio of both if you want to be able to blend them both together. So yeah folks, just a hidden feature of the GoPro Hero 13 Black for a backup safety track. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.